the Empire State Building.
It's true.
So we're gonna fix that today. We got a little sidetracked on the way to the Empire State Building because I couldn't go through Koreatown and not get something delicious. So we got taiyakis, red bean and custard cream. But it's super easy to get your ticket right here. Approved!
Yeah, tickets there, right?
A lot of movies besides King Kong have been filmed here in the Empire State Building, including Elf, Spider-Man, Sleepless in Seattle. The list goes on, and this area shows you a lot of the movies that have been filmed. So the first elevator you take from the second floor takes you to the 80th floor where you get your first view from above, and it's really nice. You can kind of see Times Square and you can see the World Trade Center behind us, so you get like a western southern view of the city. You know, I've been to the Empire State Building 3 or 4 times before I lived here, and it's a lot nicer coming back when I actually know what I'm looking at. I know where the different buildings are in New York. It's a little more special. So we've taken the second elevator to the 86th floor where you can actually go outside and the view is just much more glorious. The higher floor, 102nd, is 12 floors up, but I don't think it's worth the extra $30 because this view is great and this is sort of the classic view you see in movies.